that I will bear true faith and allegiance to the same, that I will obey the laws, legal orders and decrees promulgated by the duly constituted authorities of the Republic of the Philippines, and that I impose this obligation upon myself voluntarily without mental reservation or purpose of evasion. I further solemnly swear that at all times and places I will adhere closely to the ethical standards and professional roles of teachers in the Philippines and in the world, and that I will faithfully discharge to the best of my ability the duties and obligations incumbent upon a legally authorized professional teacher. So help me God. Congratulations, you! Now the climax. Get your feet. But don't feel it on yourself. Face the new professional teacher nearest to you and pin on each other. The LPTP, that way you witness one another's loyalty to the code of ethics of the teaching. Congratulations! Teaching me how to love, showing me how to love.
Congratulations once again to our newly sworn professional teachers. We now take your seats as we move on to our next part of the program. So at this point, we'll now have a special moment to recognize